The Himalayas, a land of giants. Towering peaks pierce the sky. Below, a world of ice and snow. This is nature at its most extreme. Our mission, an epic drone tour. We'll soar above glaciers, we'll dive into valleys, and we'll witness the incredible wildlife. Get ready for adventure. The Himalayas await. Our drone lifts off. The ground shrinks below. We're rising above the tree line. The air is thin and crisp. The world stretches out before us, a breathtaking panorama. Peaks rise like jagged teeth. Deep valleys carve through the landscape. Rivers snake through the mountains. It's a view few get to experience. But we're not just observers, we are explorers. The Himalayas are a geologist's dream. Millions of years in the making, forces of nature collide here, creating a landscape unlike any other. We fly past towering cliffs, their faces etched by wind and ice. Below, forests cling to the slopes, a vibrant green against the white snow. And then, a flash of movement, a herd of mountain goats, remarkable creatures, perfectly adapted to life in these extremes. They move with grace and precision, navigating the rocky terrain as though born from the mountains themselves. Life finds a way, even here. Welcome to Nanda Devi, a sanctuary in the sky. We approach our destination, Nanda Devi National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is a place of pristine beauty, protected from human interference, a haven for rare and endangered species. The air here feels different, crisper, cleaner. We spot snow leopards on a distant ridge, their camouflage almost perfect. These elusive creatures are rarely seen, a reminder of the wilderness we are privileged to witness. And now our journey must draw to an end, and our drone begins its descent. The journey is coming to an end. I hope you enjoyed this tour and that the memories will last a lifetime. The Himalayas are more than mountains. It's a place of awe-inspiring beauty. This experience changes you. It leaves you humbled. They will continue to tower long after we have passed on from our mortal souls, and deeply grateful for the wonders of our planet. Until next time, Himalayas and dear viewer, stay wild. Like, comment, share, subscribe and follow myfaveplaces.com, because every place has a story to tell.